If you need to unlink a bank account from your Splitit account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Splitit account. Visit the Splitit website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the menu or by clicking on your profile icon. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. Within the account settings, locate the section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Here, you will see a list of linked accounts. Step 4. Select the bank account to unlink. Find the bank account you wish to unlink. There should be an option to edit or remove the account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking process. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to unlink the selected bank account. Make sure to review any warnings or notifications before finalizing the action. After completing these steps, a bank account will be successfully unlinked from your Splitit account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Splitit customer support for assistance.